intraterrestrials are like microorganisms that live within the Earth or within the crust of the planet. Those are intraterrestrials. Okay, inner terrestrials are different alien races that live within the planet, that live within Kai that you never seen, so they live underground. Those are your inner terrestrials. Terrestrials would be you, because you here. Extraterrestrials would be the races that are not from here. Okay, so technically, if you have carbon in your skin, you are extraterrestrial, but you've been here, so you are terrestrial. All right, now, so now that leads us back to the question: what is the Galactic Confederation? Okay, the Galactic Confederation is composed of 300 different alien races or extraterrestrial races from different planets, all throughout the multiverse that came together to fight against evil, if you want to call it that. Okay? I'll repeat that again. What is the Galactic Confederation? The Galactic Confederation consists of 300 separate extraterrestrial races that have came together to form an alliance to fight against this grand threat against evil, if you want to call it that. That's the Galactic Confederation. Okay? Now, you have many different confederations throughout the multiverse. Like I say, it's 12 universes. Each universe has 999 galaxies. Each galaxy is composed of 999 planets. So, and each planet has 9 realms in it. So, that lets you know how much life it is, okay? So, no. Every single race and planet is not involved in the Galactic Confederation. The Galactic Confederation is literally a clique of 300 planets that have came together to forge an alliance to go against the Alpha Draconians. The Alpha Draconians, you never really see them here. They always underground. But they do send in like the Draconians or the Reptilians. But the Alpha Draconians are the ones that run the Reptilians and the Draconians, okay? So the Alpha Draconians are the ops. They the bad guys. They are our enemy, all right? They are the head of the army who we are fighting against. You know what I'm saying? It's imperative that you know that they are the enemy, the Alpha Draconians. All right, now they have other forms of them that exist. They go by different names, like regular Draconians, or Centaur Draconians, or Reptilians, which are all smaller versions of Alpha Draconians. Alpha Draconians probably stand on average 22 feet to 50 feet tall. You know, Alpha Draconians, they very huge with wings, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, they be feeling like they run shit. Like you can't tell them shit, these Alpha Draconians. But they the bad guys. Okay, so the thing about the Draco star system is it's a lot of fucking little mini planets in that star system. So although the Draconians is only the Draconians, some of the Octarians, some of the Pleiadians, and some of the Andromedans. That's it. You know, they don't have a vast army, these Alpha Draconians, they don't. But what they have on their side is numbers. When they have babies just like reptiles. They lay eggs and they hatch, and they have them by the thousands, these Alpha Draconians. These are some of the most advanced, intelligent creatures you could ever see in your life. Like, if you was to actually run across one, they probably would scare the shit out your drawers. Probably would shit your drawers, because you've been lied to your whole life about them. But they can't fuck with you, though. You are more advanced and more stronger than them, which is why they hide. They only beat you through an illusion called the Matrix, which you experience as life and time, and you believe is real. Here, bro. My bad, y'all. I had to pass that smoke. Now I feel much better with the door open. You feel that breeze coming in? Nigga, they don't want to sleep with the door open. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it feel good as fuck, y'all. I'm on the beach, late night, door open. The moon is, the whole ocean lit up, y'all. Like on my resort, the fucking whole ocean lit up. Like, it's crazy. But oh yeah, I'm doing some deep videos about the ocean. They're gonna be on online too. I'm gonna put them on the website. But yeah, so the Alpha Draconians, they the bad guys, all right? These are the bad guys. These are the enemy. This is the ops. Them in the Pleiadian race. I'm going to try to sit down with an artist and try to get my own pictures drawn, because when I went to Google, I really couldn't find pictures for you. So I really need an artist. If y'all know artists that's willing to draw this, willing to dedicate their talent to the university, tell them that Rashad Jamal is definitely looking for artists. I need artists. I mean, of course, we're going to do music artists and producers and models, like all that. Like, I'm really, if you have a talent, email me, let me know your talent, like, because we building everything back up and we opening the doors, and I'm going to pay y'all and all that. So, but, like, I need an actual artist, though. Like, an actual painter or somebody that's very good with drawing, like, not halfway good, a real drawer, so they can draw out these things that I'm telling you guys, so that you can get a better visual for, for what it is that I'm saying to you, that's not my gift. My gift isn't drawing. I have a different gift. We all have different gifts here. So when I landed, I just came here to remind you all of simply who you are, and about the truth of our existence, and about the truth of your planet, and about the truth of who you are or what you are. So tonight, the ancestors told me to finally reveal some of the alien races to you, so I'm going to do that to you. It's nothing to be scared of. I don't want you to fear nobody within the Galactic Confederation. Understand that in this big war that's going on, the Galactic Confederation consists of, once again, 300 different extraterrestrial races. I'll name off 30. I'm going to name off 33 of them for you tonight, a part of the Galactic Confederation. I'll be naming off more as we continue on every day, but I'm going to just give y'all 33, and then even the 33 I'm going to name off, I'm going to have to, like, literally do videos on every single race. You know what I'm saying? I also have, that's why I got a book coming out. My book going to be real deep. It's going to break down the races, and I can go into more detail than even I can on a video. Alright? So, it's actually finna be fun, to learn this truth. It's nothing to fear, because the most strongest race is us. That's the great thing. Anunnaki, we the most strongest race. So if you are considered black or Latino on this planet, you are Anunnaki. You are a descendant of Anunnaki. That's why you have that pigment. That's why you have those genetics. That's why you have the DEA. Because it might not always show through the pigment. Like, that's another thing too. Don't get caught up in, so that means if you're not black as fuck, then you're not a god. No, it don't work like that. It's about the genetics, the DEA. You know what I'm saying? Because we always had different pigments. Like I say, some of us was green, blue, red, and this was back before they came. You know what I'm saying? We never looked the same. At no point in time did we ever just was all looking the same, never. So don't get caught up in that. You know what I'm saying? It's the genetics that connects us all, the DEA, the deoxyetheric acid. So, we have several different confederations. Alright? Several different confederations. That's what I want y'all to know. There's several different confederations. I'm going to list two of them. Both confederations I'm listing is on our side, okay? And I made sure to write them down. I wrote them down because there's so many. I could say them all verbatim off my head, but I didn't want to keep repeating it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say the Plutonians, right? And then I'm naming more races, and then I say the Plutonians again. You know what I'm saying? Not remember that I already said the Plutonians. So the organizer it, and like I say, this is a university, so the best thing to do was to write it down. These different alien races, though. All right, but the Galactic Confederation, before we can even dive into the alien race, the extraterrestrial races in the Galactic Confederation, you have to understand that it's more than one confederation. And what the Galactic Confederation is, once again, the Galactic Confederation consists of 300 different extraterrestrial races, all from different planets, universes, and star systems. These are the best of the best that have came together to fight against the Draconian, Reptilian, Pleiadian stronghold. Alright? The Draconians, reptilians, are from